Deepa.
Tandoori chicken from Indian cuisine is a global hit for its flavors and spices.
Today we are going to see a vegetarian version using Babycorn Tandoori with a yummy cucumber dip.
Yeah, for this you'll need
to the boiling water, I'm going to add the baby corns. And some salt. Just let it boil for 2 minutes. It's just like blanching. Do not overcook it.
Yeah, if you have canned baby corn, you don't have to do this step.
Just skip it and go ahead with the next procedure. It's been 2 minutes. I'm going to carefully remove the baby corn and transfer it into a plate.
Now cut the baby corn into inch-sized pieces like this.
Now let's start marinating the baby corns. To a bowl, take 1/4 cup of yogurt. Make sure the yogurt is very thick and not sour.
Then add in 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder,
1½ teaspoon of ginger garlic paste,
1½ teaspoon of chili powder,
a teaspoon of garam masala,
a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves,
and a teaspoon of oil, and mix them very well. Finally, add in some salt. We have already added some salt for the baby corns when we blanched it, so add accordingly.
I've let my baby corn sit for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I've preheated my oven to 230 centigrade. I'm going to place my baby corn inside now. There we go. And then we're going to cook it for
10 to 12 minutes.
Yeah. When will the baby corn be ready?
To take another 5 minutes or so.
Oh, is there a dip for that?
Yeah, we are going to make cucumber
Can I
dip.
make it?
You want to make it?
Yeah, you're a good chef. Yeah, I'm a really good chef. Well, the baby corn is ready. Let's make the dip fast. For the dip, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to the cucumbers. And you need 2 tablespoons of shredded cucumber also. I added some chaat masala. And I'm going to add some chili powder. I'm going to add some cilantro. And some salt. And I'm going to mix it well. Now the dip is ready.
It's been 15 minutes now. Let's take a look. See how yummy and delicious the Babycorn Tandoori is looking. Who does not eat chicken? It's a very good option. Let's transfer this Babycorn Tandoori to the serving plate.
Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Now with the dip that you made, I'm going to serve it on the side. Smells great.
And we can't wait to have it, right?
Yeah. Look at the dip. It's super yummy.
Babycorn Tandoori with cucumber dip is ready. Do try it at your home, guys.
Can I have one? This is the best.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.